Hello and a very warm welcome here to my channel Bestelkeister. It's great to have you watching. Yeah, I've gone and picked up the Kärcher S here. This is a manual push sweeper without any motorization. And in this video, I want to test the product out for you. And we'll take a look at just how powerful this sweeper really is. Enjoy the video. So let's take a look inside and we can see, of course, that the sweeper is already almost fully assembled. We still have a handle here, and honestly, I don't really think there's much more than that we need to assemble at this point. Then, of course, there's the instruction manual, which we can always refer to if we need any extra help. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, when folded up, the sweeper is about this size, which means you can store it away quite easily. There's also a handle attached here, so you can just tuck it away in a corner somewhere against the wall. So it doesn't really take up a lot of space. Now, the remaining attachment parts are naturally hidden inside the sweeper. I'll take those out now and put the device together. Now, the handle is simply pushed on like this. And then I have two options here. I'll go with the shorter one for now, and then I can screw the handle into place. The screw goes from the inside to the outside. It's all quite simple, really, and then I can just screw the whole thing together. So next, if I may, I would like to, at this point, mount the two cleaning brushes. Yeah, to mount the cleaning brushes, just loosen this gray screw fitting here and then place the cleaning brush on top. It then clicks into place a bit, screw it tight, and you're done. I'll do the same thing again at the bottom. Yeah, and last but not least, the handle is also attached here. And that's it for the assembly. So I'd say if you don't have to film it, I think everything's ready in less than 5 minutes. So, and that's it. Handles on. This is the collection container. Now I've set up a little test area here. Here, the kind of things you'd find on the street. Wood chips, small stones, sand, and so on. And yeah, we're definitely going to sweep that up now with our Kärcher S. I've purposely filled up the curb area here as well, just to see if the brushes can actually sweep the dirt and debris away effectively from that position. So that was the first pass. I'd say it's already swept up roughly 50%. Now we'll do the second pass. So it's getting better. Now for the third pass. And it's cleaning the edges nicely. So now it's just fine-tuning, and then it's actually swept quite well. So you have to go over it 3 or 4 times, and then the job is basically done. So all in all, it's swept up quite well. Everything I threw down there is gone. Okay, we still have a tiny bit of stuff left on the edge in the joints, but that's also very hard to get out. I think you can only get that out properly with a hand brush. But overall, the surface has become really wonderfully clean here with the Karcher. So now let's take a look inside. The container should have a bit of stuff in it now. So it's very simple. Just pull it up here. Ah, there we have it all. Yeah, that's quite a lot of debris that it's Karcher up here, I'll say. Even a wood louse in the back. Yeah, but in all, it's a pretty cool device. I'm satisfied. Well, and so I've reached the end of my little video here. I hope I could show you something about the Kärcher S. I'd be happy, of course, if you'd leave a thumbs up. Write in the comments if you want to know anything else. I'll try to answer, and so you don't miss a video, please turn on the bell. Then I wish you all a nice day. Take care until my next video. Bye.